How to find your trade URL on Steam. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to open Steam on a web browser or open the Steam application on your laptop or PC. Now make sure to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, from here you want to click on your username. Once you click on your username, from the right hand side panel, you will find different options. Go ahead and click on the one that says inventory. Now, you want to click on the option of trade offers. Again, in the right hand side panel, you will find the option of who can send me trade offers. Click on that. Now scroll down and under third party sites, you will find your trade URL over here. You can simply copy that. And in this way, you can find your trade URL on Steam. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.